given in the question. Then they say there's point A and point B. 2 maps 5. This is the point A. This is point B. Then there are 2 points on this. 2 points on the side. Then C, A maps B. Is the sense of the cycle as given with the variables. Then of the cycle lies on the side on the line. Then they say sense of the cycle lies on the line 2y minus y plus 1, 2x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Which means leli point leli lilaya kule line le, kule line zolithola le kuyo. Then AB with 80, then to the line AB with 80. Then they say AB with 80. This is AB and this is 80. Then they say 80 is equal to the half of AB. Then if 80 equals to the half of AB, which means DB is also the half of AB. Then ngalokho basho ukuthi lama lines oyi2 ayalingana ngoba u-AD u-half, then nalona kumele abe u-half, u-DB kumele abe u-half. So indicate ngama line nje ukuthi ama lines alingana. Then 3.1 they say give reason why CD is perpendicular to AB. This is AB. Then masubela ku theorem 1. Theorem 1, why they are perpendicular, this line and this line. It is because this line bisects these lines, as we can see. Then the reason will be the line drawn from the center bisects the chord. Line drawn from center bisects chord. This is our first answer. Then 3.2 they say determine the equation of the tangent to the cycle at point B. Then this is point B. Then they want the equation which passes through equation of a tangent and it passes here. Idlula la le equation abayifunayo. Then sifuna i-equation yakhona. Then ukuze sithole i-equation yala i-tangent, ngoba i-circle la kumele sibe ne-radius ilong. I-radius esuka la ku-C iza la ku-B. Masina le equation yala, so bese sazi ukuthi lama lines lawo la ihlangana khona, they bisect each other. They make up 90 degrees. They're perpendicular. Then if they are perpendicular, then the product of their gradient is -1, which means product gradient CPC multiplied by gradient tangent is equal to -1. Then okokuqala ke kumele sikuthole equation yalo line lo. Le line ayinama coordinates, inama variables, then inama real numbers. Then shuthi ukuze sithole le equation yala kumele sithole i-gradient kuqala. Leli point futhi alinawo ama coordinates, shuthi kumele siqale la sithole ama coordinates A and B. Sinikezwe inikezwe sisobhala okukhona kuthiwa ngithi this ile equation la khona kula yakhona i-center of the cycle A and B bala on this equation. Masi simplifier, so transposer y ayengale, then lokunye kuzosala ngapha, then y will be positive is equal to 2x plus 1. This is the equation lapho khona point C atholakala khona. Ulaya on this equation A maps B. then kumele thina ukuze sithole kahle kahle mesithole ama-coordinates ala, then ukuze sithole ama-coordinates ala senze ku-5 marks singenza ngokuthi masingathola i-equation yala, then si-equate nale equation le equation angithi ne-positive gradient shuthi ihamba kanje, ihamba la shuthi aya-intersecta la. Mase equator sothola leli point leli la siyazi ukuthi ubani x wala, then isikhalansa x. So okay, let's get i-equation ka-CD. So ithola kanjani? Kumele angithi siyazi ukuthi lo baba perpendicular nakho sishilo la, then masibe perpendicular kusho ukuthi i-gradient yala multiply by i-gradient yalo line lo is equal to -1, then sothi MAB multiply by MCD is equal to -1. Then singasho sithi CD is perpendicular to AB, then a gradient of AB sothini it's y2 minus y1, then all over x2 minus x1. Y2 wethu sothi u5, then y1 it's -1, then mase sithi x2 or x2 minus x1, then x2 it's 2, then -4 multiply by gradient ka-CD is equal to -1, then gradient ka-CD it will izoba -1 divide by, so divide ngalo 5 minus into -1 izoba u6, 5 plus 1 izoba u6, then 2 minus 4 izoba -2, then lesothi gradient ka-CD izoba positive, then sothi -1 divide by 6 over -2, then comma 1/3. This is the gradient of CD. Ukuze sitholeke i-equation ka-CD, then this line formula ukuthi sithola i-equation yakhona si-equate nale equation le ukuze sithole le point leli ukuthi liwa, then sothi y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1. Y minus y1 wethu kuzoba imuphi, then kusho ukuthi ke angithi sona u-CD kumele sithole leli point leli ke solisebenzisa, then sithole i-point D. Point D is the midpoint of AB, then point D will be the sum of the x values of A and B divided by 2, then plus the sum of the y values of A and B divided by 2. The midpoint formula, it will be 4 plus 2 is 4 plus 2, and it will be -1 plus 5, -1 plus 5. Then the coordinates of the other 4 plus 2 is 6, then divided by 2 it will be 3. 5 minus 1 is 4, then divided by 2 is equal to is a point D. Then we substitute for points of D as we are finding the equation of CD. Then y1 which will be 2. Gradient is this one, 1/3 into x minus x1 is 3. Then equation will be, when you transpose minus -2 it's over 1/3x minus 1, then multiply by le -1, then transpose 2 plus 2, then y is equal to 1/3, then x 2 minus 1 plus 1 ile equation eka CD, then sesizoyi-equator nalena eka le equation le la kulaya khona upoint C. Then this is our equator to find the point X, point A, the value of A. So T2, then 2x plus 1 equals to 1/3x plus 1. Kodwa siyazi okay, then masizwa equator so thola siyazi ukuthi u-x ubani vele mabe eselingana lamalani ngithi indlula la le line. U-x ubani u-a, you can substitute a to a instead of x plus 1 is equal to 1/3a plus 1. Then it will be answer, so to transpose 1/3 is ngapha, then it will be 2 minus 1/3, then 5/3a is equal to, then so transpose 1, then it will be 0, then a is 0.